Hi, my name is Angina Owens, and I'm from Wilmington University. I'm going to do my radio podcast on substance abuse issues. We're going to talk about universal awareness. We're sending out a cry for help for individuals who are suffering from drug and alcohol addiction, and we're letting you know that we do care. Substance abuse and addiction has become one of the worst social issues in the United States since the HIV and AIDS epidemic that began in the 1980s. According to SAMHSA, an estimated 22.5 million Americans 12 and older are experiencing substance abuse issues and sought treatment. Substance abuse is a big social issue. The fact is that in the last couple decades, drug and alcohol addiction has far passed any city limit to the suburban and rural areas. It has become a nationwide issue. If you want to watch this podcast, we also have some TED Talk. Please, if you need any help, call 1-800-HELP. Thank you.